Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Edney for those of you who don't know me, and welcome back if you're returning. So in this vlog, I took my baby to the holiday edition kids workshop. So in this part of the vlog, I basically just separated the 2024 pins and I placed them on the new apron because I just didn't like how it was looking.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high,
Why didn't you tell me?
Is it beer?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Mommy, yesterday I was just...
Ornament. They could put your picture in it.
Wait, wait, for real?
Yeah.
Wait, so Mom, but I need a little picture.
I don't know. We're gonna print it for you.
How? You don't have a picture.
I know we could print it for you. Go to the store and print it.
Oh, where's the printer store? You saw me.
Let me see your pens. You got a lot of pens. Whoa.
Hold on. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
And now you got this one.
9, 10. Time to do it on the floor.
1 second. Yeah, go ahead. Good job.
Man. What do I do?
Put this inside the hole.
What do I do?
Stop.
What do I do?
Go ahead. Get it off.
What do I do?
hands up high, tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne, cold night.
He's tall. He's tall. Okay.
Okay, what color you gonna pick? Come on.
When you curse this name, you called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Just don't. Oh, hold on. This is gonna get messed up. Wait, don't put it right here.
Don't put it right there?
Yeah, no, because the glass is inside already. Yeah, go ahead.
You already put it in there?
Mm-hmm. Good job. It's a little bit. Good. That's a little bit. And then do this side. I got my fan so I could let it dry for you.
Oh, that fan?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I know what fan you're talking about. You're talking...
Just put a little bit, okay?
Oh, done. I've only been here for 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's quick today. Like that.
This could just dry easily.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they give you snacks?
Mom,
Nice.
is this candy?
Yeah.
No,
You can put that away. Here, you can put your face now on it. Oh, look, they give you a certificate.
Why do you say certificate?
All right. What? How you say it?
Certificate.
No. Certificate.
Certificate.
Good job.
Certificate. Then, next one is this one. The ears.
You can put the, hello. The ears go this way. Thank you.
Now the feet.
The feet, let me see. No, this one goes over here, baby.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
Where? Right there?
Yeah.
It's nice. It's Christmas. Holiday, the holiday.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say no fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a skateboard. My skateboard. Money, all rolling. Big car keys in the trash, we rolling. Deep to the top. Good time girls, with a handful of girls, and they all so foreign. Bring some poison, rainbows flowing. Light skin chick, first light from rolling. Alright, thanks,
Hey guys, I had so much fun at the Holiday Kids Workshop, and it was so much fun, and there was not a lot of people. I'm excited to put my picture in my ornaments.
They loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew, oh, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew.
Hey guys, so I just want to share with you guys again how to sign up for these classes. So you're just going to go to the Home Depot's website. You're going to scroll down to free in-store kids workshops. Basically, you'll see it and you are just going to click on register now. But first, I'm going to scroll down for you guys to show you the upcoming workshops. This week is the Holiday Cocoa. And then they have the one coming up for January, which is the tow truck. So, yeah, I think you guys should definitely check that out. And registration is going to start soon for that. So, these are the workshops for the year. And so, this is how you sign up. You just click on register now. You put your name, your email, how many kids are attending, which workshop you want to attend. Most likely is going to be one or two that's upcoming. And then that's pretty much it. That's it. You're all done. But these are the workshops for the year. And these are how many Jays were able to do. So I really love these. I really appreciate Home Depot for even doing this for kids and for families. Because when I tell you, it is just so amazing. And whenever you don't have it to do these, to just go out and splurge, these are activities that you can do at no cost. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye.